At Earthright, we know how important it is to keep your home powered, even when the unexpected happens. That's why we offer more than just solar solutions. We partner with you and your family to ensure your home stays connected with battery backup options tailored to your needs. Through education, transparent conversations, and reliable service, we bring the future of energy independence right to your doorstep. Whether you're looking for protection during outages or ways to maximize your solar investment, we're here to help. Our custom-fit battery backup solutions are designed to ensure you never lose power when it matters most. And with options like the Tesla Powerwall, we offer the best technology to give you peace of mind and energy security. So whether it's a storm, blackout, or simply preparing for the future, Earthright Mid-Atlantic puts energy independence within reach. Because we believe everyone deserves a reliable, more sustainable tomorrow. Ready to explore your battery backup options? Give us a call today at Earthright Mid-Atlantic to learn more.